Dangote-led Presidential Committee on Food and Rehabilitation has donated food items worth 1.5 billion naira to displaced persons and communities affected by the flood disaster in the country. The Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, Sadiya Umar Farooq, made this known during an update on the 2022 flood intervention session at the State House in Abuja. She said the government will continue to partner with relevant agencies and stakeholders to adequately tackle the food menace that hit the country.
The Presidential Committee on Flood Relief and Rehabilitation under the chairmanship of Alhaji Aliko Dangote has donated assorted foodstuff worth 1.5 billion naira to NEMA for distribution to all the states of the Federation. And NEMA has already provided warehouse facilities in the 6 geopolitical zones of the Federation to receive the items. A plan has also been put in place by NEMA to transport and hand over the relief materials to the state government and the FCT authority. The Federal Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development is coordinating a country-wide support by World Bank to undertake a comprehensive impact analysis and post-disaster needs assessment similar to what had obtained after the 2012 flood. The current disaster outlook indicates that so far the flood has wreaked havoc in 36 states of the Federation and the FCT. 612 persons were reported dead, 3,219,780 persons were affected, 1,427,370 persons were displaced, and 2,776 others are injured. A total of 181,600 houses are partially damaged, while 123,807 houses are totally damaged. 176,852 hectares of farmland are partially damaged, while 392,300 hectares of farmlands are totally destroyed. There is a widespread environmental dislocation as a result of this flood.